Here we have an installation of 225 square feet of Mannington Adura Max 382 Century color pebble in the kitchen. What we had to do to this existing floor, there was an older generation laminate floor installed that we needed to pick up and dispose. The customer didn't like the way the older generation laminate floor was wearing. So we're going to put the newer generation Adura luxury vinyl plank in the 1 foot by 2 foot profile. So here is the older laminate being picked up. Had to break it up in pieces, remove the underlayment, prep any floor that needed to be done. Here's the installation partially completed. Again, you can see the 1 by 2 tile profile in this beautiful slate stone look. And here we have the finished installation, completely done. All moldings and trims reinstalled, appliances reinstalled. So what a difference in the change, and actually the ability to have the maintenance that the woman wanted, other than the laminate, the ease of maintenance with the new luxury vinyl tile. So if you want to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com, and please subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.